Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout, and here finally is the turkey I made. Doesn't it look absolutely delicious? It was delicious, oh my gosh. So many times during its baking, I took my baster and would squeeze the juices from the roasting pan and squirt it over top of that turkey to keep it moist. I did it many times. I think I had to halfway, did I halfway through it? I need to find that recipe and save it. I don't remember if I did. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I hope I did. I don't know. But anyway, so halfway through baking, I want to say that you had to flip it, the turkey over to its back, or halfway through, no, maybe halfway through I had to take the brown sugar mix and brush it on again, I think is how it was. But anyway, so my background is basil cardstock. That floral layer is Simple Stories, Stay Cozy. Cozy, no, I put Stay Cozy, but it's actually Cozy Days. That red grid layer is Amy Tangerine's Late Afternoon. And then I'm going to use this pattern. It's like a, let's see here. I don't think I wrote that down. I think that's like the pink chevron layer, I think, that I used on the previous layout. Let me see. Yeah, that's Hip Kit Club's Grandma's House. And then the blue polka dot is Simple Stories, Cozy Days. I was just trying to see if I wanted to do anything else. So this brown floral is Hip Kit Club's Grandma's House as well. Noises. Trying to get it straight. Down. And so that gingham pattern there is, I've used it almost all the way up to where there's nothing left. And that is Simple Stories, Cozy Days. And if you go to my blog, my Scrapbooking Corner at blogspot.com, which I have linked here in the description, you can see even more details on what I did for this layout. Like what papers, like if you want to copy the layout, it has what sizes I cut the papers to. And then the tag is cut from Simple Stories, Cozy Days. And of course, Theo's here. There's pens, so somebody else must be. So the die cuts, let's see here. The foam stickers are Simple Stories, Cozy Days. And the floral die cuts are Jen Hadfield's The Avenue. So I'm pulling out a bunch of other stuff. And the chipboard stickers that I use are Simple Stories Cozy Days. I'm also going to use Jen Hadfield's The Avenue stickers. Right there is where I use them. So here's the Jen Hadfield stickers. This is from the September Kid. So I'm just trying to add to it. Trying to use up some of the stuff. So I have a lot of the stickers and stuff left over. So I have a lot of stickers left over from past kits, current kits, that I can't fit anymore in the drawer. Alright. Pat, and it's alright, he's not going to get you. And then I use two different kinds of thickers. I'm going to use Best Ever is American Crafts Delightful Thickers, and then Turkey is American Crafts Aster Thickers for my title, which I will be getting here. I still wanted to use that, but so I was writing down, what do I want to do? Oh, I know, best turkey ever, because it was the best turkey ever. I mean, I was so shocked. I was terrified to cook the turkey because I've never done it before. Nice sweet peas. That's just my water. So I'm just going to do my title. I want my drawer shut. Find these Jetmax cubes. I don't think they make them anymore, because you cannot find them. I would love to one day in the near future get rid of all my cubes and get not just one but two of the dream boxes. but those are like $3,000. Because, oh my gosh, I have so much room in my scrapbook room if I did that. Because those, one could be, actually both of them could be side by side here. Well, there's one wall and everything else would be clear. How cool would that be? But anyway, because I looked for the Jetmax cases, I wanted to replace some of them, and nope, I cannot find them anywhere. So anyway, this completes my layout, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.